Leave me alone! Oh, you're right, I am struggling with this light. Oh, fuck, the light bulbs are hot.
It's really cause my mood done. She think I'm going insane. Don't put nothing that's in vain. I'm geeking on that confidence, but I think it's a good time. I don't need you, yeah, I don't need you. Yeah, 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 I don't need you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. See this little glare thing? Because it's the black background.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you already know light streaks through because it's there. Oh no, you're recording. I hate you.
He said, hold on.
Behind the scenes and all. Yeah.
This is on Lingo. Shorty wanna know my lingo. Tell her I'm on my beat on. Like what you tryna be on. Yeah, what you tryna be on. I'll be roller coaster.
I hate myself. I can't live in the city.
What happened?
I don't know.
Bro, what?
I don't know. I don't know what happened.
What if you can tell me?
Yo, hey, hey, yo, yo. She said that she wanna start taking me serious. Yeah, she said that she wanna start taking me serious. Can't do relations, can't do relations, can't do relations. Money I'm chasing. Yeah, she said that she wanna start taking me serious. Yeah, she said that she wanna start taking me serious.
I'll have to retire at the age of 35 because I'm too old.
Can't do relations, money I'm chasing. And baby girl, she did me dirty, she's a bad boy. Yeah, baby girl.
Never do that ever.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, we all got different talents. It's cool. We can appreciate every guy's talents. Awesome, guys.
Yeah, you do.
That's cool, man.
Thank you.
Guys, no problem.
My nigga. Oh, it's this nigga. Now look at this nigga right